victory is when using our forces. War is the enemy. War is War is not always the course. War is not always the course. War is not always the course. To attack is not always the course. War is the enemy. War is always the enemy. War is not your victory.